This right here is a 2015 RZR 900. Started out as a trail and kind of turned into the S with the S kit and shocks and all the good stuff. Riding in the winter, it's always cold and you wish you had upper doors. So today I got these KEMIMOTO upper doors from Amazon. I'm going to put them on and see how they look. Now I'll give you my opinion on them, on how the quality of them is and how well they actually fit, because I'm really curious to see how well they fit, because I don't have the stock flaring up here on the top and it's just a metal roof. This is what you get when you get the upper doors. They're in here, and I'm going to open this up and see what exactly is in there. So that's everything in the box. These right here, wrapped up nicely. On the inside of them, we have the instruction manual. Here are the upper doors. We got the protective layer of this fabric stuff over them. Looks like we have the driver's side one right here. The passenger side one is right here. Along the top of the bar, it looks like we got a strap every 6 to 8 inches or so, as well as on the back side. So this is the inside that you're looking at, I think. Yeah, that's the inside of them. And this is the outside of them. So you can see the quality of it. The vinyl plastic is real malleable and nice and thick. And the plastic too the clear plastic is nice and thick. You'd really have to try to crease that or just bend it around, stretch it. It looks like for our door, where it mounts to the door, it's a Velcro strip. There's a piece of Velcro on there, and there's a layer of paper over some tape, so I'll have to pull that off. I was wondering how that went on, if it was buttons or tape. So you don't have to drill any holes or anything. So here's a full view of the driver's side door. Wanted to give you a good look at it before I put it on. Really curious to see how well it fits. I already got a better angle for the camera to get this upper door on. Yeah, I'll just do a little quick time lapse and I'll give you my opinion at the end of the video, telling you what I think and if they're worth getting and putting on or not. So I now have the doors installed on this 2015 RZR 900. They weren't too bad to put on, honestly. It was easier just to loosen up the roof and take the windshield off. to get them on there and get them all tucked up and strap right to just get them nice and square and snug. But the fitment on them is pretty good. You can see along the roll bar here, it's a pretty tight fit. And up here at the top of the pillar, it's pretty tight fit. Everything's nice and snug. See if you can see in there. Everything's real tight. There's nothing really here to keep this pulled out. So, I mean, you could put a spacer there so it follows the roof line, but that's not a big deal at all. And then it follows the bar back, and that's a nice snug fit on that as well. I'm pretty happy with them so far. The plastic on this is nice and thick. They're nice and strong. And we got the nice reflective tape right here. We got the straps right here for in the summer. You can unzip them, roll them down, and have them wrapped up right there so you can get some air. But yeah, they definitely fit tight along here. I took my time to get them to fit right, and if you do that, they'll work great for you. So I'm pretty happy with them. And the zippers too. The zipper feels nice and high quality. You can see it there. I'll go ahead and show you. Unzip it. Pull that out and you can see everything's tucked up nice on around the roll bars. Everything's nice and snug here by the windshield. Nice and sealed up to keep you nice and dry for when you're out riding around. And they look pretty good, honestly. I really like them. I'm pretty happy with them. I don't know if I mentioned it yet, but there is this spot right here. So if you got mirrors on the machine you have, there's a spot you can get them right here and poke them out and have your mirror. That way it's not pushing back on this and making a little air scoop. But I'm pretty impressed with them. If you're looking for some upper doors for your 900 or 900 XP, I forget how many different models these will fit. But I'd definitely recommend these ones. They're pretty good product. Everything's nice and heavy duty, and I think they'll last quite a long time.